Hello, little artists! Today we're going to draw something super fun, a springtime bird box. Grab your black marker and let's get started.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw some flowers. Start with a heart shape in the middle, then add petals all around it. Beautiful! Now let's draw a few more flowers beside it. Behind the flowers, draw some big round bushes. Make them nice and fluffy, like green clouds. Now, let's draw the fence. Make 5 tall vertical bars.
La da 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 dee.
In each bar, draw a tiny heart shape. Cute, right? Then add 1 long horizontal bar behind them to connect the fence. Next, let's draw the bird box. Start with a pillar, and on top of it, draw a small house. Add a circle in the middle for the door. On the roof, draw a cute little bird sitting happily. Finally, let's draw 2 big butterflies flying in the sky. Their wings can be nice and round. Make them look magical. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp so the artwork really pops. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. We'll use rainbow colors. Ready? Say the colors with me. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Bottle green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Cream color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow, it looks amazing! Great job, little artists. You've drawn a beautiful springtime bird box with flowers, a fence, a bird, and butterflies. Keep practicing and keep creating. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.